All right, as you head outside, let's take a live look right now. We have an accident impacting my Spartanburg County drivers. Take a look. This is a bird's eye view. First responders there on the scene. You can see they're blocking one lane. This is at I-85, Highway 101. We're watching this closely for you as you head out the door. This impacts my BMW commuters. Let's go ahead and zoom into our graphics so you can see exactly where this slowdown is. Again, this is as you head from Spartanburg into Greenville County, right there in the area of Highway 101. Shift change is about to happen at 6:30. So this will definitely impact a lot of your commutes this morning. Also watching two accidents in Anderson County. One of them is at 181 this morning. That's at Good Hope Church Road. And then the other one at Highway 81 this morning at Chamblee Road. So that one at Chamblee Road really causing some slowdowns for my drivers this morning. And then also watching this one at Mills Avenue. That one is at Mission Street this morning. Watching all of these accidents carefully for you. We're going to check in on that one on I-85 in Spartanburg County in just a few minutes. Good morning, Spartanburg County drivers. We're tracking a pretty serious accident right now. It's on I-85. This is a live look from Sky 4. It's right there at Highway 101. Getting reports of about 2 miles of backup. We were seeing one lane closed. Now, as you can see from Sky 4 footage right now, we're seeing 2 lanes blocked. They have several first responders there. We're also getting reports that there could have been a vehicle fire here. So if you head out the door in this direction, give yourself plenty of time this morning. We'll go ahead and take a look at the map so I can show you exactly where this is. Going to zoom on in, impacting my drivers from Spartanburg County into Greenville County this morning. Take a look at that backup. That is stop and go travel, not even slow travel. So not what we want to see on the interstate, especially as we head towards shift change at BMW. Also tracking several other accidents. Mills Avenue, we have one at Mission Street, Greenville County. Another issue on I-85 northbound. We have a stalled vehicle right there causing the lane to be closed at Pleasantburg Drive. And then in Anderson County, Shiloh Road at Shiloh Church Road, we're watching an accident. And 2 more in southern Anderson County, 181 at Good Hope Church Road. And then the other one really slowing down traveling on Highway 81. That's at Witt Chamblee Road. Watching all of these carefully for you. We're going to take another look at that accident on I-85 in Spartanburg County in just a few minutes. Roads. Bad news for drivers in Spartanburg County. We are still watching this accident on I-85. Jarrett Medeiros is live up in the air for us. Jarrett, we see those lanes opening back up. Is traffic still pretty backed up in that area?
Yeah, Hannah, traffic is still backed up in the area. This is I-85 at Highway 101. This is the southbound lanes heading into the BMW area in Spartanburg County from Spartanburg. From what appears to be a car fire, Duncan Fire is on scene. The good news is in the last few minutes they have moved and opened all lanes southbound back open, but still use caution in the area. And as I pan up, you'll be able to see that the backup goes all the way up to the Duncan exit, which is exit 63, Highway 290. So if you're heading this way, give yourself a little extra time, as this is going to take a few minutes to clear, but the good news is all lanes are back open, but use caution in this area. Hannah, back over to you.
All right, thank you so much, Jarrett. Yeah, I'm seeing travel time 6 miles per hour in that area on the interstate. Not what we want to see this morning. So Jarrett's watching all of this closely for us. We're going to zoom on out because we have several other things to talk about this morning. We have an accident at Mills Avenue. That's near Mission Street in Greenville County. Also tracking a stalled vehicle on I-85 northbound. That is causing a lane to be closed at Pleasantburg Drive. And heading south in Anderson County, we have one at 181. Also, that's at Good Hope Church Road. There's some injuries with that one, so that is going to take a while to clear. Also seeing big backup on Highway 81 in Anderson County. That's near Witt Chamblee Road because of an accident there. But once you get on I-85 in Anderson County, your commute looks really good. This is a live look at I-85 in the area of Highway 81. So once you pass that accident on 81, head towards I-85. You're in good shape this morning.
Thank you.
Good morning. We have quite the headache going on right now in Spartanburg County. So I-85, this is a live look at Highway 290. Seeing backup from that wreck that we were showing you earlier that happened at 101. all the way past Highway 290 right now. I-85 southbound in Spartanburg County kind of looks like a parking lot right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at the map so you can see exactly where this is. I'm tracking those speeds for you. Warning, they're not looking good this morning. Travel times 12 miles per hour right there at 290 where you just saw where Sky 4 is. And then if you continue towards Greenville County, things do start to improve, 32 miles an hour, but that's not the speed you want to travel on the interstate this morning. Good news is that accident at 101 has now cleared. It's over on the shoulder, but still causing a big slowdowns for drivers heading from Spartanburg County into Greenville County this morning. Also tracking a few other things this morning. Mills Avenue, we have an accident near Mission Street. I-85 in Greenville County, northbound stalled vehicle there at Pleasantburg Drive, causing a lane to be closed in that area. Shiloh Road in Anderson County, we have an accident Shiloh Church Road. Southern Anderson County, we have an accident with injuries. That's at 181. And then also tracking some slowdowns on Highway 81. That's at Witt Chamblee Road. But again, watching these slowdowns in Spartanburg County very carefully. We're going to check in with Sky 4 in just a few minutes. If you live in Spartanburg County, unfortunately, my friend Jarrett McDare is up in the air for us, tracking some issues we're seeing on I-85. You're at Highway 14. Hopefully things are starting to improve by the time you get there, Jarrett.
So far, so good. They are starting to improve, but we're starting to see that stop-and-go traffic like we normally do around 85 in Pelham as you head southbound on 85 this morning. 85 and 14 at the Greenville-Spartanburg County line is looking good. Speed limit drive if you're heading northbound, but as you can see, it's a little bit stop-and-go and got a little bit of backup there near Pelham Road between there and 14. So if you're heading this direction, give yourself a little extra time this morning. Hannah, back over to you.
Yeah, we had an accident there at Highway 101 on I-85 impacting drivers heading from Spartanburg into Greenville County. We're continuing to see backup in this area and it continues to just continue backing up, unfortunately. So speed limits 32 miles per hour in that area, or not speed limits. That's the speed you're going to travel if you head out on the interstate on I-85 in Spartanburg County right now, even seeing 12 miles per hour in some places. So back up all the way past 290 right now. So if you head out the door in this direction, you need to leave early because unfortunately there's not really a good detour for you to avoid all of this. You're just going to have to give yourself a lot of extra time this morning. Also tracking some slowdowns in Greenville County. We have a stalled vehicle causing the lane to be closed there at Pleasantburg on I-85 northbound. And then also two accidents in Anderson County, Shiloh Road at Shiloh Church Road, and then I-85 northbound. We have one right there at 86. So watching all of this carefully for you. We'll take another look from Sky 4 in just a few minutes. Good morning. Let's take a live look outside with Sky 4. This is I-85 right there at 385. So you're looking at the gateway right now. Traffic moving smoothly on I-85 and 385 once you get into Greenville County. All those flyover bridges looking good this morning. Woodruff Road actually not even looking that bad. So good news for my Greenville County drivers, but we do have a few minor things we're watching in Greenville County for you. Guest Street, we have an accident at Orr Street. Also I-85 northbound. There's a stalled vehicle there causing that right lane to be closed. That's at Pleasantburg Drive. So heads up if you head out the door in that direction. I-85 in Spartanburg County, not looking so good. We had an accident there at 101. It's now cleared, but it's causing some pretty big backup on I-85 as you head into Greenville County this morning. Back up all the way past 29 this morning in Spartanburg, and there's really no way around this, unfortunately. Also, this is a live look outside in Spartanburg County at I-85 right there at 101. You can see lots of people out on the roadways this morning. Let's check in with Prilla. Good morning. I continue to see bad news from my friends heading from Spartanburg County into Greenville County this morning. We had a lot of backup on I-85 southbound. That just continues once you get into Greenville County. We now have an accident right there at Pelham Road impacting those southbound lanes as you head towards Greenville this morning. Also watching a wreck on 101. That's at Brockman-McClyman Road causing some slowdowns on 101 this morning. Zooming on down to Anderson County, we have an accident at I-85 northbound. So as you head towards Greenville County, that is impacting several drivers and impacting travel times on Highway 86, which is right there where that accident is. Also, speaking of those slowdowns on I-85, let's take a live look at them. You can see slow go travel times on I-85. This is right there near Highway 14. Again, this is as you get into Greenville County near that accident where Pelham Road is.